Hey everyone, I am Gaurav and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are discussing laws of exponent on real number. So let's start. First of all, exponent. Suppose a to the power m and m is called power or exponent. And now and a is called b. Now, so some important formula. Some important formulas are now number 1 a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n. That means both the base are equal. Then a raised to the power m plus n. Now number 2 a raised to the power m upon a raised to the power n or a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m minus n. And number 3 a raised to the power m to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m into n. Now number 4 a raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. Now number 5 a b raised to the power m is equal to a raised to the power m into b raised to the power m. And number 12 a raised to the power m into b raised to the power m is equal to ab, because both are unequal to the power m. And number 7 a raised to the power minus n is equal to 1 upon a raised to the power n. And number 8 1 by a to the power n is equal to a raised to the power minus n. Now exercise NCERT exercise 1. Number 1 find 54 raised to the power 1 by 2. Now solution. Here on by using prime factorization method prime factorization method now 54 now 2 32 to 15 to 8 to 4 and 2 and 2 times 1. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6. That means 2 raised to the power whole power 1 by 2. And now we know that a to the power m to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m into n. So 2 raised to the power into half. Now 3 is equal to 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to 2 is multiplied into 3 times equal to 8. Now number 2 32 raised to the power 1 by 5. Now we know that 32 that means 2 raised to the power 5. Here 32 2 raised to the power 5. So we write 2 raised to the power 5 into 1 upon 5. Now using that formula, a raised to the power m to the power n is equal to 2 raised to the power 5 into 1 by 5. Now we multiply is equal to 2 raised to the power 1 is equal to 2. And number third, 125 raised to the power 1 upon 3. Now here we know that 5 raised to the power 3 is equal to 125 into 1 upon 3. Now the answer is equal to 5 raised to the power 1 is equal to 5. And now problem number 2. 9 raised to the power 3 upon 2. We know that 9 is written as 3 square because the value of 3 square, that means 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Raised to the power 3 upon 2 is equal to 3 or 2 into 3 upon 2. Now the answer is equal to 3 raised to the power 3. That means 3 multiplied into 3 times. That means 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 27. Now number 2, 32 raised to the power 2 upon 5. Now we know that 32 is written as 2 raised to the power 5. Multiply 2 upon 5 is equal to 2, 5 multiply 2 upon 5. Now the answer is equal to 2 raised to the power 2 is equal to 4. And number 3, 15 raised to the power 3 upon 4. Now we know that 2 raised to the power 4 is equal to 15. Multiply 3 upon 4 is equal to 2 raised to the power 4 into 3 upon 4. Now for answer 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to 8. And number 4, 125 raised to the power minus 1 upon 3. Now we know that a raised to the power minus n is equal to 1 upon a to the power n is equal to 1 upon 125 raised to the power 1 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 5 raised to the power 3 multiplied 1 upon 3. Now 3 answer is equal to 1 upon 5 raised to the power 1 is equal to 5, 1 by 5. And now problem number 3. Here given 2 raised to the power 2 upon 3, 2 raised to the power 2 upon 3 into 2 raised to the power 1 upon 5. Here both base are equal. So using this formula, a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m plus n. Now 2 both are common, 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 5. Now is equal to 2. LCM of 3 and 5 is equal to 15. Now 5 is multiplied into 2 times plus 3 is multiplied into 1 time is equal to 2 upon 5 to the 10. 10 plus 3 upon 15 is equal to 2 raised to the power 13 upon 15. Now problem number 2, 1 upon 3 raised to the power 3 twice 7. So we multiply, we know that a upon b raised to the power m is equal to a raised to the power m upon a raised to the power n. Sorry, b raised to the power n. Then 1 raised to the power 7 upon 3 raised to the power 7. We know that 1 raised to the power 1 upon 3 multiplied into 3 into 7. Because we know that a raised to the power m raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m into n is equal to 1 upon 3 raised to the power 21 is equal to 3 raised to the power minus 21. And number 3, 11 raised to the power half upon 11 raised to the power 1 upon 4. We know that a raised to the power m upon a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m minus n. So we subtract 11 raised to the power 1 by 2 minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 11. LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So we multiply 2 into 1 minus 1 is equal to 11 raised to the power 2 minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 11 raised to the power 1 upon 4. And now, problem number 4. Take 7 raised to the power 1 upon 2 into 8 raised to the power 1 upon 2. Here, both the base are unequal. So we know that A raised to the power m into B raised to the power m is equal to A multiplied B raised to the power m. So we multiply 7 into 8 raised to the power 1 by half is equal to 57 raised to the power 1 upon 2. That's called